Hey everybody, Jamie Jenisic, Team North Idaho Home Hunter here, Coeur, Keller, Williams. I went to a mastermind group a couple of weeks ago, and I was sitting with one of the I guess he'd be a facilitator of it, and it's a top 100 group in Keller, Williams. It's for teams and individuals in Alaska, Washington, Idaho, and Oregon. And then I think they must have just invited me because they felt sorry for me too. But no, I'm actually in that group, our small team. And we were talking about investments, and I've been wrestling through a little bit of stuff because a big goal of mine is in the next couple of years is to get some freedom. And what I have been doing, my wife and I, we have been buying some property, and some of it we cash, some of it we are making payments on. And I got to thinking about it because sometimes I feel like I'm going behind. I don't know if anybody else out there feels like it. It seems to, I remember back in the day when I worked an hourly job, you'd get a good paycheck and all of a sudden your truck starts missing and you're hoping that it spark plugs and then you realize it needs a new heads on it or your wash machine pukes or something like that. And, so going through life and trying to get a plan for the future, I wished I would have spent more time of getting clarity on exactly what I wanted. So I was talking to this guy and we were talking about not just appreciating assets, but we're talking about things that produce cash flow. So when you're buying property where it's say it's a developed piece already that has utilities, things like that, you are putting out money on payments, but it's not generating any income coming in. And so after I visited with him for about an hour of time, I realized part of the reason why I was feeling a certain way or feeling like I'm not getting further ahead was because I was putting money into things that were not providing cash flow. More cash flow provides more freedom and it provides more options. I'm not saying that it isn't good to buy and hold land because we've done well on that. But for right now, to get to where we want to be in the next 2 to 3 years, we need to start moving some money more into some passive income coming in instead of money going out. And anyways, I don't know if anybody else out there feels like that or they're not quite sure. They don't quite have a plan to get to where they want to go. We'd love to take some time and sit down with you. I've done about every dumb thing you can do in real estate. And in life, I've made lots of good decisions and I've made more poor ones. And if you ever want to sit down, take 30 minutes and bounce some ideas off of each other, we'd love to sit down and help. Give Team North Idaho Home Hunter a call.